I just completed this and I was in shock. So I tried to do it again.
Hindi ko pa na hindi ko pa nakikita. Ano talaga ang totoo dun sa mga nilalaman ng kwento. Kung ako ba talaga
Bro,
prima, wala ba akong baka mamaya ako parang kitanod na pwede kong sabutin eh. Hindi ko pa nakikita eh. Hindi pa ako nakakakuha dito. Dahil doon sa karakter mo sa
bro, I just did it. Bro, I just did it. Bro, bro, I just did it, bro. Bro, let's try it with no timer. Okay. Let's try it with no timer. Bro, I swear I just did this. Yeah, I did this. Oh, I just did it and then I failed.
Balik ka na lang doon sa staffel. Hindi ko pa, hindi ko ayaw pa ako na
Okay. Bro, my head. Okay.
Ano sabi mo, yung unang magkakahanap tayo, ano ang
No
ating
timer. Bro,
yung magkakahanap
I swear I did
tayo,
this.
masakit yung mga
I just did that. Okay. Bro!
And, wala, ang sa akin. Hindi mo tatayo yung bahay na yan.
Dingin-tingin nila.
Bro, I just did that. Bro, did you see that, bro? Did you see that, guys? That is the first time I had ball tapping. I tried doing this, but it's so hard then. It's so hard then, bro.
Kung ano ginawa niya sa magulang niya at kung paano nagawa yung bahay na yan, magkano ang ano.
Bro, I swear I just did that
600,000?
minutes ago.
Hindi pa kasi ako nakakauna ganito.
Bro, I just...
Wala pa kasi pa
Did you just see that?
kami ito. Ay pala yung isa kong pake pagka natutong na ganyan eh. Pag natagilid
Bro,
na, hindi ko na kaya.
I finished it! Yay! Yes! I made it! Yes! Bro, this is easy? Yeah.
Eh nung nako,
I tried doing this. Bro, I almost made it.
Hingarap ako sa barangay. Sama si Digo.
Oh my god! What? I made that! I made that! I made this. Yes, that all. When I'm using like this move, it's easy. But for like doing that, it's only for shorts. And I just made that? Nah. This is not real, bro. This is not real. Bro, how? Oh, I swear I just did that. No ladders at all. Bro, I swear I just did that.
Kung sampal-sampalin na, naku, hindi. Sila kaya ginaganon mo yung ulam nila?
Oh, ma. Didelay pa yun.
Yo, that's wild. That finished. That I swear, I just saw Real Rosa in YouTube and I decided and I decide to finish this. Yes, I decided to finish this. Bro, I swear. Oh, I'm going to stretch my hand. Bro, bro. Hey, bro, scaredy cat. What you doing? Bro, I just made that. I just made that. Yes, let's go. Yes, that is the end of the video and it was amazing. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this and hit that notification bell. So that is the end of the video. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.